Graphic design is everywhere. It's in your favorite movie posters, video games covers, and even the emoji you text to your girlfriend. But what is it really? And how does it secretly controls what you click and what you love? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Graphic design is the art of making information look good, easy to understand, and solves problem. It's like giving ideas a cool outfit so people pay attention. But more than that, it's about making life easier. Imagine walking into a grocery store and none of the food packaging has labels. No colors, no brand names, just plain boring boxes. How would you find your favorite chips? You have to open each and every box to check. Now let's fix this problem. Instead, with bold colors, logos, and clear images, you instantly know which chips are spicy and where the cookies are. Graphic design helps you find what you need faster. No confusion, no frustration. That's exactly what graphic designers do. They organize information so you can understand it instantly. They help businesses sell products, make road signs readable, and even make mobile apps easy to use. Let me give you a real-world problem that was solved with graphic design. In the early 90s, the New York City subway was a complete mess. Not the trains, but the maps. The old maps were overly detailed, showing every single street, buildings, and curves in the tracks. Riders got confused, got lost, and missed their stops because they couldn't quickly understand the system. But in 1972, a graphic designer, 𝗬𝗫𝗄𝗃, created a simplified color-coded subway map that changed everything. Every subway line was given a unique bright color to make navigation easy. Instead of cluttered street details, he used symbols and dots for stations. He ignored real geography and made routes clear and readable. And what was its impact? The maps become an international design icon and is still the foundation of subway maps today. Millions of people can navigate quickly and easily just by glancing at the map. This design approach inspired other cities like London, Tokyo, and Paris to simplify their maps too. Moral of the story? Graphic design isn't just about making things look pretty. It can literally help millions of people find their way every day. Did you know design can trick your brain into feeling different emotions? Yup. Graphic designers are kind like brain hackers. Red makes you hungry. That's why KFC, McDonald's, and Coca-Cola use it. Blue makes you trust things. Banks, hospitals, and social media use blue for this reason. Yellow makes you happy. Notice how kids' products and fun brands love yellow. Green means natural or safe. That's why organic brands and eco-friendly companies use green. Black feels luxurious and premium. Think about brands like Gucci, Nike, and Apple. Have you ever noticed that sale signs are always red? That's because red triggers urgency. It makes you feel like you are about to miss out and great deal. This is why brand spends millions on choosing the right colors, because the right design can make you feel something without even realizing it. Let me give you a real world example. IKEA wanted people spend more time inside their stores and buy more than they just originally planned. But how do you make customers stay longer and browse without feeling forced? And here's what they did. They designed the entire store like a maze. Have you ever tried leaving IKEA in a hurry? You can't. Instead of a simple straight path, they created a windy layout that forces you to walk through different sections. Even if you just came for a lamp, you will pass through the sofa section, the kitchenware, and suddenly you are holding a whole cart full of things you didn't plan to buy. They choose yellow and blue for a reason. IKEA's color aren't random. Yellow makes you feel happy and energetic, while blue creates trust and calmness. Together, these colors keeps you in a relaxed but positive mood, making you more likely to browse longer and buy more. They made product signs big and simple. Instead of overwhelming you with complicated details, IKEA's price tag and product names are designed with huge, bold fonts and simple, clear images. You instantly understand what's on the sale without effort, making the decision to buy super easy. They used a sneaky pricing trick. called the decoy effect. Have you ever noticed that IKEA places an expensive product first, followed by a slightly cheaper one? Your brain immediately thinks, oh wow, the second one is a great deal, even though you weren't even planning to buy it in the first place. This pricing tricks makes you spend more without realizing it. The impact: customer spends an average of 3 hours in IKEA, even when they just came for one item. The store layouts makes people see more products and increase impulse purchases. And let's not forget, the food court is placed at the end for a reason. After walking for hours, who can resist IKEA's famous meatballs? So what is graphic design? Everything you just saw: the layout, the colors, the signs, even the way price is displayed, that's all graphic design at work. I know the store layouts come under interior design, but it heavily incorporates graphic design principles. Graphic design isn't just about making things look good, it's about solving problems, guiding people's decision, and even influencing behavior. So next time you see a road sign, a food package, or a shopping mall layout, remember someone designed it with a purpose. And that's the power of graphic design. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment down below. Bye bye.